Second year microbiology. Topic is Ascaris lumbricoides. First of all, it is a roundworm. So this is the common name of Ascaris lumbricoides and is a roundworm. Next point, it is a worldwide distribution. ప్రపంచం మొత్తంలో ఉండేటటువంటి పరాన్నజీవి. Then this is the Ascaris lumbricoides is a very important parasite in the routine stool examinations. Then it is the largest intestinal nematode parasite of man. ఇది లార్జెస్ట్ ఇంటెస్టైనల్ పారాసైట్. మానవుని యొక్క శరీరంలో అతిపెద్ద పొడవైనటువంటి ఇంటెస్టైనల్ అంటే చిన్న ప్రేవులు పెద్ద ప్రేవుల్లో ఉండేటటువంటి పరాన్నజీవి. ద అడల్ట్ వామ్ లైవ్స్ ఇన్ ద స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ ఆఫ్ జెజునమ్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాన్. అయితే small intestine consists of two types: small intestine and large intestine. Small intestine is a consists of three parts: jejunum, ileum, and cecum. Then next, large intestine consists of four parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. So this Ascaris lubricoides adult worm is a lives in small intestine of jejunum. First part of the small intestine is known as jejunum. This adult worm is lives in the jejunum of man. Then next going to morphology. Morphology consists of adult worm. See, you have to in notes. This is a adult one of the parasites. This is the one parasite is the adult one is a male parasite, and this is the female parasite. Male parasite and this is the female parasite. So you have to understanding this. It is a elongated and rounded in shape and tapers at the ends. ఇది చాలా పొడవుగా ఉంటుంది, రౌండ్గా ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ షేప్ అండ్ టేపర్స్ ఎట్ అదర్ ఎండ్స్. ఎట్లా ఉంటుందంటే ఒక టేప్ మాదిరిగా ఉండి ఎండ్స్ టేపర్స్ ఎట్ అదర్ ఎండ్స్ అనమాట. ఎండ్స్ ఒక టేప్ లాగా వచ్చేసి ఉంటుందన్నమాట. ద మౌత్ ఓపెన్స్ ఎట్ ద యాంటీరియర్ ఎండ్ అండ్ పోసెస్ 3 ఫైనల్లీ టూత్ లిప్స్, 1 డోర్సల్ అండ్ 2 వెంట్రల్. సో ఇక్కడ యాంటీరియర్లో మౌత్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఉంటుంది. యాంటీరియర్ మౌత్ ఓపెన్స్ అండ్ 3 ఫైనల్లీ టూత్ లిప్స్ అనమాట. 1 డార్సల్ అండ్ 2 వెంట్రల్గా ఉంటుంది. మేల్ వామ్ మెజర్స్ 15 to 25 centimeters in length, 3 to 4 meters in diameter and width. This is the measuring of the male worms అనమాట. Male worm. Then next go to female worm. Female worm is a longer and shorter than male worm. Female worm is a longer and shorter of the male worm. It measures 25 to 40 centimeters in length and 5 mm in diameter. A mature female Ascaris may have enormous egg-laying capacity, liberating about 200 eggs daily. The useful lifespan of adult worm is about 1 year. Then eggs is the eggs passed out of the human host with the fecus. Eggs are two types: fertilized egg and unfertilized eggs. Then see here in fertilized egg fertilized. This is the fertilized egg. Then unfertilized egg. These are both are eggs. So fertilized egg, it is a round or oval in shape, measuring 60 to 75 micrometers in length and 40 to 50 micrometers in breadth. It is a stained and brownish in color. It is surrounded by thick translucent shell with an outer luminous coat in the form of rugose rugocytes. This outer coat is a sometimes lost decorticated egg. In floats is the saturated solution of common salt. Therefore, saturation is a common salt. Then next they are going to fertilized egg, unfertilized egg. Unfertilized eggs in a female worm, they not a fertilizer can produce unfertilized eggs. It is a narrower and longer, measuring 80 micrometers in length and 55 micrometers in breadth. It is bile stained and brownish in color, then has thinner shell with irregular coating of the albumen. Then a saturated solution of common salt, especially heaviest all helminth eggs, the seen in does not float in saturated solution of common salt, unfertilized egg. Especially fertilized egg is a floats in the saturated solution of the common salt. This is the difference between saturated solution of common salt is a does not floating in the unfertilized egg, floating in the fertilized egg. That is the difference. Then what is the mode of transmission? Transmission is portal entry of elementary canal ingestion site of location small intestine. Small intestine. Then small. What is the pathogenesis and clinical features? Pathogenesis means pathos means is a how to causing the disease is known as pathos. Genesis means how it comes the genesis. The disease how it comes in the disease is known as pathogenesis. So infection of Ascaris lumbricoides is known as ascariasis. Uh, Ascaris lumbricoides causes for Ascaris disease, especially this disease in India, the symptoms of migrating larva due to adult worm, the especially larva in lungs may lead to symptoms of pneumonia. The pneumonia patient causes for pneumococci in microorganisms with the parasites of Ascaris lumbricoides. The symptoms related to gastrointestinal tract like crabs and loss of appetite means loss of appetite means ఆకలి కాకపోవడం ఆకలి లేకపోవడం తిన్న అరగకపోవడం this is loss of appetite. Malnutrition may be occur, పోషకాహార లోపం అనేది జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. హెవీ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ మే కాజ్ ఇంటెస్టైనల్ అబ్స్ట్రక్షన్. హెవీ హెవీ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ హెవీ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ మే కాజ్ ఇంటెస్టైనల్ అబ్స్ట్రక్షన్. ఇంటెస్టైనల్ అబ్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. ఇంకా ద వామ్స్ మే వోమిటస్ అవుట్ ఆర్ మే పాస్ త్రూ ద esophagus and come out through the mouth or nose. Effects due to migrating larva are as follows. The migrating larva may lead to inflammatory and hypersensitive reaction in these lungs, leads to cough, fever, dyspnea, and eosinophilia, and allergic inflammatory reaction to these migrating larvae among other organs like liver and kidneys. So, laboratory diagnosis, stool examination, adult worms or eggs may be demonstrated. Eggs can be detected by the direct microscopic examination of stool specimen or concentration of the same. Then, demonstration of adult worms. Adult worms may be passed through the stool and mouth, nose, and rarely their ear, barium, meal, and occasionally. Demonstration of larva. Zero diagnosis antibodies against Ascaris lumbricoides can be detected. These tests are useful for the diagnosis of extraintestinal ascariasis involving other organs, liver, floor, syndrome is one example of extraintestinal ascariasis. Eosinophilia, it is observed in larval invasion stage. Treatment, parental promote, single dose, mebendazole 100 mg twice daily for 3 days. Then prophylaxis, ascariasis can be prevented by the following measures: proper disposal of human feces, avoidance of eating raw vegetables. This is the um, pathogenesis of clinical features of the man. Then, especially ascaris prophylaxis is a proper disposal of human feces in avoidance of eating raw vegetables. So, pyretal promote in the mebendazole 100 mg twice daily for 3 days and piperogenic citrate for 2 days may be used for the treatment of ascariasis. Then, especially in male adult worm, excretory pore and female gonopore, and one side of the mouth and one side of the anus, and a lateral line is here. So this female gonopore is especially they are going to sexual reproduction, and female sexual reproduction also here. Then next ankylostoma duodenal next parasite is very important here. Then thank you all of you.